Hello everyone. Hope you all are doing well. Today what we are going to discuss about is how to protect your business investment, insurance contracts and site security. According to the US Department of Commerce, it costs around $30,000 on average to start a business. Even if that number is higher or lower than your projected startup cost, it illustrates an important point. Business owners have a significant amount of capital invested in their companies. While running a profitable organization is a surefire way to stay out of the red, you also need to protect your investments from unforeseen events. In this guide, you will find answers to questions including what is business insurance? What does business insurance cover? How much is business insurance? How do you buy business insurance? What other kind of investment protections are available? What is business insurance and what does it cover? Business insurance covers financial losses stemming from a variety of events that can negatively impact a business operations. There are many different types of business insurance and they provide coverage for different types of situations. The most important and common type of insurance cover employee related issues, legal liability, and property damage. You can determine the type of coverage your business needs by analyzing the risk involved in your industry, the value of your investments, and your company's legal structure. For example, a solo entrepreneur doesn't need to waste money on employee insurance. On the other hand, a construction company with employees working in potentially dangerous conditions should absolutely have insurance to protect them. Why is insurance important for small businesses? As a small business owner, you need to ask yourself, what is business insurance supposed to do for my business? Some small business owners think they are exempt from legal action, accidents, and other concerns because of the size of their operations. Don't make the same mistake. Small to medium sized companies are at great monetary risk than large corporations because they cannot absorb operations. Do not make the same mistake. Small to medium sized companies are at greater monetary risk than large corporations because they cannot absorb a financial blow as easily. Without the proper protection, solo entrepreneurs even risk leaving their personal finances exposed. The very size of these business makes them more vulnerable in the events of financial disasters. That's why small companies need to invest in small insurance coverage to ensure their investments are protected. Is insurance really required? Not only is insurance a good idea for small businesses, but some types of coverage are legally required for small business operations. Federal laws mandate that every company that hires employees have disability, unemployment, and workers' compensation insurance. Additional insurance requirements can vary from state to state. Make insurance to investigate that laws in your area to determine what your insurance obligations are. What is general liability business insurance? General liability business insurance, also known as general liability insurance, protects you from issues that might occur to your typical business operations, including personal injury, property damage, bodily injury, vandalism, loss of income. Other types of business insurance. While general liability business insurance is one of the most common and protective form of coverage, we still haven't fully answered the question, what is business insurance? There are nearly as many varieties of insurance policies as there are types of businesses. Let's take a look at common insurance type you might want to consider for your small business. Business interruption insurance. A business interruption policy is geared towards businesses that operate at a physical location. A business This type of insurance is designed to compensate businesses for income loss during uncontrollable events that cause significant disruption in normal business operations. Home based business insurance. If you are running a small business out of the comfort of your own home, you might ask yourself, what is business insurance supposed to look like for people who don't have an office building or brick and mortar storefront? Your standard homeowner insurance provider can usually bundle home-based business insurance with your current policy. This includes liability coverage for potential third-party injuries and any business equipment. Get in contact with your insurance provider to see what options they can offer. Vehicle insurance. If you're missing a vehicle for business proposed, it needs to be fully insured. At a minimum, you should get coverage that can protect you in case of third-party injuries. However, comprehensive vehicle insurance will also cover your company car in the event of an accident. Things get a little trickier if your employees use their own cars to conduct business. Product liability insurance. The very act of selling someone a product makes your business potentially liable for damage resulting from the use of that item. Product liability insurance protects you from lawsuits and other legal actions that might result from misuse or accidents associated with your products. How much is business insurance? According to Insurion, 48% of small businesses pay anywhere from $300 to $600 annually for their general liability insurance policies. It's best to work with an insurance professional to get an insurance estimation of all the insurance you might need for your business. Business insurance costs will depend on a variety of factors, including the type of insurance you are buying, the amount of coverage you want, the overall value of the business or the investment being covered, the quality of insurance.